Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about how to make money 2023 with zero to start dropshipping. Starting a dropshipping business with no initial capital can be challenging but not impossible. Here are some steps you can take to potentially make money through dropshipping in 2023 without investing any money upfront. Research profitable niches. Look for trending and profitable niches in the market. Consider factors like demand, competition, and target audience. Find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Select reliable suppliers. Identify reputable suppliers or wholesalers who offer dropshipping services. You can find them through online directories, marketplaces, or by contacting manufacturers directly. Ensure they have a good reputation, quality products, and reliable shipping options. Set up an online store, create an e-commerce website or use existing platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Focus on creating a professional and attractive store that reflects your chosen niche and products. Product selection. Choose a range of products from your suppliers that align with your niche and have a good profit margin. Opt for products that have high demand and are unique or difficult to find elsewhere. Market your store. Utilize social media platforms, content marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to promote your store and products. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers in your niche to increase visibility and drive traffic to your store. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve any issues or concerns. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals can greatly benefit your business. Sales and order fulfillment. Once customers start placing orders, forward these orders to your suppliers. They will handle the packaging and shipping process. Ensure smooth communication with your suppliers to avoid any issues with order fulfillment. Optimize and scale. Continuously analyze and optimize your marketing strategies, website design, and product offerings based on customer feedback and sales data. As your business grows, consider reinvesting your profits to expand your product line or drive more targeted traffic to your store. Product pricing. Determine your pricing strategy by considering factors such as product cost, competition, and market demand. Aim for a price that allows you to make a profit while remaining competitive. Remember to account for any additional costs like shipping and transaction fees. Shipping and delivery. Understand the shipping options and policies provided by your suppliers. Communicate with them to ensure timely delivery and track packages. Consider offering free shipping or expedited shipping options to attract customers. Payment methods. Set up convenient and secure payment gateways on your website to accept customer payments. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify payments. Ensure you have a reliable and trustworthy system in place to handle financial transactions. Continuous learning. Keep an eye on industry trends, changes in consumer behavior, and emerging technologies or marketing strategies. Stay informed through blogs, forums, podcasts, and industry publications to adapt and optimize your business accordingly. Collaboration opportunities. Explore opportunities to collaborate with other businesses or influencers in your niche. This can help you reach a wider audience and gain credibility in your industry. Upselling and cross-selling. Look for opportunities to upsell or cross-sell related products to increase the average order value. Offer bundle deals, product recommendations, or discounts for bulk purchases. Return and refund policy. Determine a clear and fair return and refund policy to address customer concerns. Communicate this policy clearly on your website to manage customer expectations and build trust. Subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.